Hello everybody and welcome to Greg's Vintage Workshop, where I'm working to restore history one piece at a time. Tonight it's something a little bit different. We're not working on a radio. I have a new shop and I want to show you the new shop. So without further ado, let's look at this new shop. See what you guys think. So this area we're looking at right now is what was my old shop, but as you can see now it has been converted into a workspace for my daughter, who is work from home RN, and she turned it into a cute little workspace. Here's another angle. You'd have to get that wall fixed. Some paint for her. Here's the other old section of the old workshop. I've moved my coil winder onto this bench here. And there's my big screen that I use when I have to get the prints up bigger where I can see them. And then here's the old section over here where I had my tube testing station. And we've got the ultrasonic cleaner over there. Right there. Along with a bunch of other junk. But that stuff's all cleaned off now. Got a lot of accumulated stuff. Let's go check the new shop. So this is the door to the new shop, and let's go in. So there's the door we just came in. I'm just going to kind of pan around here. If I go down, you're going to see I have an air hockey table in here, a regulation air hockey table. It actually has some gifts on it for my grandchildren for Christmas. They can't come in here and see it. So let's kind of take you up here, go at the top first, and you can see all my parts bins. Everything has been labeled and I know where everything's at. I'm going to pan down. I put in some shelves. Got a bunch of my old stuff that I've restored or not restored yet. Got my aerosols, a lot of my supplies in here. So now if I come over this way, more parts bin. I put in a big shelf here that holds a lot of weight. And it's got some old chassis in here. Got an old Philco chassis there. I've got the Greneau over here. Got an RCA in the middle. Come down lower, just some stuff. That's a spare parts signal generator I got from Doug over at Moslack. And a radio out of my Vibe. Transitone radio and transitone case. My power supply, DC power supply, and again just more stuff. Alright, a spot for my tripod. I'm going to move over here. This is the section I'm most excited about. I now have a specific station for my soldering, especially PC boards. This is an adjustable desk that goes up and down. I had to do that because my stool is a fairly tall stool, and normally when I would solder I'd have to have my body twisted because I can't get my knees underneath the benches. There's the other bench for height difference. This actually is electronic, goes up and down. I've got a fan for blowing the fumes away from me. Got a couple different PC board holders. One I printed, and this one's a 3D printed one I purchased. One of my soldering irons, solder sucker. Okay. So Then we come over here. It's one of my first benches I've got. I'm probably going to move that microscope down to the soldering table too. Just haven't done it yet. So I got this bench, pretty open underneath. Got my drill and stuff under it. Trash can. And then we come over here, and I've got a very bright light, which is not on, but I'll turn it on here. Which is the reason that I've got some stuff that I normally have posted I can look at if I need to, but it also in this case works as a deflector, so it's not blinding me when I walk up, but it's lighting the bench well in the multi-purpose panel. So up here, I forgot to say I've got a magnifier for that bench too. That's actually got multiple magnification on it. So I got this one with my magnifier, got my multi-purpose panel. There I've got the volt meter slash variable power supply with built-in dim bulb that I built a few years ago based off a design that Ron C down in Florida did. I've got my digital signal generator. I've got the signal generator here, the BK Precision Model E200D that I got from Doug. My other soldering station and stuff here on top, screwdrivers and such. And then down low, this is now my tube stuff. My tubes. Got my old oscilloscope that I had originally when I first started that I restored. And now we go over here, and now I have my printing stuff in here. This is my printing station. Got drawers full of stuff. Got my two printers here. And filament. And more filament. And some parts bins. Another trash can. A box full of pill bottles that I use all the time. And then over here is my air compressor. I've got bins here with stuff, a lot of printing stuff in these right here. And that's my whole house water filter, pile of rags that I got to take to the laundromat and get washed. My file cabinet, my Richard Petty autographed tire from when I was down in North Carolina. Went through his facility that he has down there, and you see there, custom sign. And then come on around, we're back here again. So well lit. I actually have my lights on a few switches here. So I'll show you that. I'll go over here. I can turn off the right side of the shop. I can turn off the left side of the shop. And of course I still have that light there. So, and then, oh yeah, and my camera boom that I built is up right there. It'll swivel around so I can record with that. But yeah, so that's where I've been for the last couple of weeks, is getting this new workshop all together. I'm very happy with it. Basically a place for everything in its place. A lot of floor space to move around in, to work on. If I have a console model, I can bring it in here and work on it. And very happy with this. So I'd show you guys what I've been doing.